Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be helping you to identify some different plants and stuff that you can forage for. Lots of great footage here. Hey guys, we also got some turkey tails in here. We have some ink caps. We have what's known as a coral tooth mushroom. Kind of looks like coral. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Hey guys, as you start in, come across the field from back over here, you come to this nice bridge. There's a nice little brook going down through it. Water levels have dropped significantly, as you can see. Gives a good spot for the dogs to play in, cool off in. As you can see, that dog decided to clean off, drying off. As you can see, you get some nice trails on the inside here. Hey guys, and right here in the dog park we have some ink caps. They're a type of wild mushroom that grows in Alberta. Hey guys, we also got some turkey tails in here. This is another popular mushroom found in Alberta. Hey guys, and right here on the side of this tree we have what's known as a coral tooth mushroom. Kind of looks like coral. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd show you guys that. You guys can see this good. This is an oyster mushroom. This is edible. Hey guys, and right here, if you see this guy right here that I'm holding on to here, this is known as a wild asparagus. Hey guys, right here, this is more wild rhubarb. This is a better view of it here. As you can see, the stalks here are real nice. Here guys, we got some wild raspberries going. Got some down in here already. You can see them already ripe. That was good for a little munch when you're going through. Good. Hey guys, and right here we got some more coral mushroom. As you can see, they are past their prime though. It's still pretty cool to be able to see all this just in one area. Hey guys, and right here we have some nightshade. Just a nice flower you'll see. And here guys, we got a polypore mushroom. As you can see. Not really edible, it's more medicinal. And hey guys, right here we have some hazelnut. Wild hazelnut growing. Just another interesting thing you guys can find when you're out foraging in the woods. As you can see, it does offer some shade. You will need some bug spray though. A lot of places are currently out of bug spray in the Edmonton area, as well as in Calgary. So be sure to check prior to your adventure. Hey guys, and right here we have a pristine coral tooth mushroom. There guys, and right here we have another Russula mushroom. You can see from the side depiction there and how it goes that it kind of curves up and around. That's one way to distinguish Russula mushrooms from other mushrooms. Hey, Aurora. Just exploring, checking everything out. Hey guys, and then on the side of this stump here, we have some polypore mushrooms. Pretty cool, just another one you guys can look up and learn about. Hey guys, this is called plantain. These ones right here are past their prime, but look at this nice guy right here. Look at that. That's a good one. You can eat that. Hey guys, well, I hope you learned some about wild foraging here at the Millwoods Dog Park. Hope this will help you identify some in the future. Remember to get a book and to become very familiar with them before you actually eat them. All right, and I'll see you next time right here at Backcountry Views.